Welcome to a video by Abron. This is horizontal and vertical travelling microscope. Here we have the vernier which is having 0.01 mm accuracy. Here we have the 100 lines, 50 lines, and the half a line. This one is having 9 to 10 has 20 lines, so it becomes 0.01. 100 is the accuracy. Here this one is the magnifier for checking, and this is another magnifier. If you have to move this, there is one vernier here. This screw, it moves. You can see. Let me show you the close-up. When I move it, so it moves. See, this is moving with respect to this. But if you have to move faster, you have to open it and then push it from one side to the other side. If it is to be moved by vernier, then this should be tight. Similar is this vertical and horizontal line is also there. Here also we have the similar section. We can put it up and down, then tight it, and then vernier can be done. This is the focusing. It can be used by two-way. Open this. This open with the focusing is done by this, and you have to open it. Then you can use it the other way. This direction is also usable, or you can use from this direction. This is the eyepiece. Here it is the eyepiece. You can focus the other side and then tight it. Then it works. Then this is the focusing. Here inside is the crosswire. We have the crosswire. You can see the crosswire inside. This crosswire is visible and the lines are there, so you can focus it. This is for focusing the crosswire, and then for focusing the object. Most of the time it is kept like this. And then this is the vernier. Here we have the brass pillar. All pillar is brass. Similarly, the scale is stainless steel. This one is again the heavy branch with the leveling screws. Very easy to use. You can focus from here any subject if it is focusable from here, or you can just keep it in this, open the screw, bring it down to the subject and then focus. Tight the screw and then focus it. Our WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Another is 94160200018. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. We have got all the optical microscopes, travelling microscope, H&Vpattern, and 6-position travelling microscope, Newton ring microscope, spectrometers, and all instruments for optical instrument, nodal slide, optical bench, and other accessories. Visit the website, like the video, share the videos. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.